Mawrap MLA Renington L. Tongkhar yesterday inaugurated the much-awaited Urnar Falls Viewpoint at Mawrap village, southwest Khasi Hills district, which has been constructed at the cost of Rs 2.50 lakhs through the MLA scheme under the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund. The Urnar Falls Viewpoint was managed by the Sharailang Tourism Cooperative Society Limited, Mawrap. Speaking on the occasion, Tongkhar said that Mawrap area and southwest Khasi Hills district as a whole has many tourist spots which can attract tourists from different parts of the country.
Kalau perlu yang ban siam bagi juga jumut bangin persia. Ban sedang AA ban lay AA nang tangani ka viewpoint hang ne ban yo ban snai ka viewpoint la kalong ha ka sedang ka barit. Haka bangaliyo ban penkedau nanti naga skim yung Chief Minister. Haka bangaliyo ban pihak kendet. Haka proposal juga akum MLA. Banyo ban bo arlak sisteng banyo ban senai kena viewpoint. Kawai ka bangamot banai kublay kerpang kapang kalau yang kena kamersim jong kajiya trailang. Haka na kajing persyang kabaret kajongi. Ban bo ini skim kabaret ban longtong kong kajing sedang.
And now the weather.